Hello everyone. Now it's the time for the exercises. So the first one is 4A, page number 31. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. So here we have to put the articles. We have to read the sentences properly, and before noun we have to place the article according to the noun. So articles a, an and the, as we have revised yesterday also. So the first one, it is a shopping basket full of goodies. Why we have written a over here? Because shopping is having a consonant sound. So we write a over here. Next, Mrs. Benz is the best teacher. Why the? Because here we are talking about a particular teacher named Mrs. Benz. So when we talk about particular thing, particular person, so we'll write, we always put the before it. Third one is Alice is eating a pear, an Amy, an orange. So pear, before pear we write a. Why? Because pear is having a consonant sound and orange is having a vowel sound. Also they are singular. Remember, I have told you that we always use a and an when we talk about singular noun. Next, the farmer bought a cow and an ox. So same thing over here. Cow having a consonant sound and ox having a vowel sound. So we'll write and before it. Then fifth one, Robbie is reading an interesting storybook. So interesting having a vowel sound. So we'll write and before it. The next one, Bunty, who was an enemy, is now a good friend. So enemy having a vowel sound, we'll write and before it, and good having a consonant sound, we'll write a before it. Next, a dog is sitting behind an empty bowl. So here we write a before dog. As you know, here it is written dog, it's a singular noun, so we write a before it, and empty again having a vowel sound, we'll write and before it. Next, this is the person I was talking to you about. So here I have written the. Why the? Because here we are talking about a particular person, so we will write the before it. Then the annual school sports is to be held in September. So here we are talking about the annual school sport, so we'll write the before it. Then next one, I am not in a hurry to go home. So hurry again having a consonant sound, we'll write a before it. Exercise 4B, page number 32. Fill in the blanks with suitable article. Again here we have to put article. First one, Brent is listening to an evening news. So evening having a vowel sound, we'll write and before it. Next, it is a good day for the fishing trip. So good having a consonant sound and fishing trip. So here we're talking about the particular trip. It's a fishing trip. So we write the before it. Then next one, the birds are flying high in the sky. So here the birds. Why? As I've told you that when we talk about plural noun, we write the. So here write the birds are flying in the sky. Why the sky? Because when something is only one in a way, so we write the before it. So sky is only one, so we'll write the before it. Then fourth one, I have to leave by an earliest train. So earliest having a vowel sound, we'll write and before it. Next, Penny is an active child. So active having a vowel sound, we'll write and before it. Then the cups were placed on a new tray. Again cups plural noun, so we'll write the before it and were placed on a new tray. So new having a consonant sound, we'll write A before it. Next, a biscuit was nibbled at by an old rat. A biscuit, before biscuit write A, and old, before old we write and. Next, a bird built its nest in a mango tree. So here you can see only singular bird we're talking about. So we'll write A. As you can see in this third one, there was written birds. So before that we have written the, because birds over here are plural. But here, eighth one, we can see only bird is written. So we'll write A before it because it's a singular. So a bird built its nest in a mango tree. Before mango write A because mango is having a consonant sound. Then ninth one, if you hear a dog bark, do not worry. So again, dog have a consonant sound and singular, so we'll write A before it. Last one, Teddy put his hand into a barrel of the lucky dip. So barrel having a consonant sound, lucky dip. How's the dip? We are talking about the lucky dip. So the lucky dip. Page number 33, 4C. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. It is very simple. You just see the noun and write the article. First one, an ant having a consonant a vowel sound. Then a parrot, an ink pot, the Taj Mahal. Why the Taj Mahal? Because I have told you that before a monument or any famous building, we write the. Then the Yamuna. Why the Yamuna? Because I have told you yesterday that before river, ocean, and seas, we write the. Then an ice cream having a vowel sound, a letter, consonant sound, an eagle, vowel sound, the moon, it's only of one kind, so the will write. Then a fox, then a flag, a lotus, the sky, as sky is only one, so we'll write the before it. Then an umbrella, umbrella is having a vowel sound. Then the east, then an egg, a wolf, an ostrich, an orange, a peach, an honest man. Again here see honest man, though it start with begin with H, but having a vowel sound. So I've told you yesterday also, today also I'm telling you, don't go with the spelling, go with the sound. So here it's having a sound of honest man. It's written HONEST, but H is silent, but we'll consider it as honest man. We'll take it as a vowel because having a vowel sound. H is silent over here. Then next is a banana. Then an igloo having a vowel sound. Then the earth. Then a donkey, a book, a hut. Then an ant, the Bible. I've told you that before the name of magazine, before the name of uh, any holy book, we write the. Then the north. Thank you.